What's up, Joseph WX? And today I'm here to bring you an update on the weather so far. And today we have some severe weather events happening so far within 4 days. So let's go ahead and get to it. So, on to day two, we are looking at some severe weather within Texas, Oklahoma, basically all the southern plain states. Doing a little bit of Kentucky. Just a tiny dice, just a tiny bit. But we are looking at 2% chance of tornadoes on this storm right now. But we are also looking at a 15% chance of high winds. So what does that look like? That means it is probably going to start building up very soon on day three, which we do have a 15%, as well as a hatched area within the Texas Panhandle, as well as uh, Oklahoma, and I think Kansas as well. So, as you can see, there is a slight risk of severe weather. So, if we also have the ability to, I'll probably do that later in editing. Well, I don't do editing, I just do it anyways. But if we could go ahead and also look at day four, that is not looking good. Not at all. That will be our first enhanced severe weather chance in 2026 so far, which will be in, I believe, Arkansas, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, little bit of Texas, like a sliver, we can, like we can see right here in Texas right now. But we are keeping an eye on it, making sure nothing major happens. But the conditions are there for severe weather. Now let's look at temps outlook within 6 to 10 days. So right now we are looking at a below average temperature over in Alaska, which is would make sense. But we are looking at warmer temps over here on the eastern side of the U.S. But as you know, we are going to be seeing a lot of winter stuff still within the northeast side of everything else. But let's look at precipitation as well. So let's go there. And yeah, we can definitely see we have a above average precipitation chance over in the northern areas of the United States as well in Kentucky. But a below average temperature, or not temperature, but precipitation within the west side of the United States, like California, for example, and some portions of Oregon. But other than that, we have a leaning above average of precipitation so far. So let's go ahead and take a look at the tropical side of things, shall we? So let's go there. Give me a second. So right now we are on our 12Z run of the GFS. As you can see, we start seeing all these systems. So basically, we have a massive trough. The first trough right now, it's coming down. It is going to hit them. And then there will be a second trough that comes after, as you see on the major uptake of storms. And then we will have I believe, no, no troughs. But these are like 7 days plus out. So don't take it for a grain of salt. Always make sure you keep yourself aware. Let's go ahead and make sure we confirm it with the Euro model as well. But yeah, we have many supercellular events happening right here. Like within a few hours, like 48 hours so far from these storms. And then here we go again with that massive trough that comes down and hits everything all at once, which will look like a squall, to be honest. But we are keeping an eye on it. This happens on the 11th and the 12th. So that is something to keep a close eye on. That is like next week. And then the Euro is also indicating another round within like March 18th, March 17th time frame. But again, 7 days out, too far along, all that type of stuff. But yeah. Um yeah, that's about it. Just make sure your safety is number priority as well as the safety of others. Make sure you like, share, comment about this, and subscribe. I don't know if it happens whenever I say subscribe, it'll glow. But let me think. This is just a basic informational thing. But because of the trough, which will carry the Gulf moisture from these storms, it will cause for these storms basically, it will cause a lot of severe weather so far within these last few days for Oklahoma, Texas, Arkansas, Kansas, those states. But yeah, um, please be aware, stay weather aware. Always listen to your weather officials. Again, I am a weather enthusiast. I only do this just to make sure that you guys are aware of what's happening with your weather. I'm not like an official meteorologist. But yeah, hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. And yeah, just keep an eye on the weather. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Have a wonderful day.